Hello friends, I'm going to demonstrate how to record your PowerPoint presentation with your video and convert it as a MP4 file. So this is my PowerPoint presentation. So here you have to choose the slideshow option. Here we are having a record icon. If you select this, you will find two options. One is from the current slide. That means record from the current slide. Another one is record from the beginning. So I am choosing record from current slide. So in the bottom right corner, you will get your video. To disable the video, you have to click this video icon. Enable it, you have to click it again. Likewise, you can mute and unmute your audio by using this mic icon. To start recording, you have to choose the record button in the top left corner. It will take 3 seconds to record. Now it start recording my video. Python interpreter is my first slide. Now I am moving to the second slide. What can Python do? Python can used on a server to create web applications. Now I am ending my recording by selecting this stop icon. To close this presentation, you have to choose this close symbol in the top right corner. This clear is used to clear this video recording. So don't choose clear now. By closing from this mode, you have to choose the close icon in the top right corner. So now the video which I am presenting is attached with the each slide. Now I am going to play this slide. Now it start recording my video. Python interpreter is my first slide. Now I am moving to the second slide. What can Python do? Python can used on a server to create web applications. Okay, now I am ending my recording by selecting this stop icon. This is the end of the presentation. To convert the presentation as a video file, go to File, Save, browse your desired location. So I'm choosing this location. Select the file type as MPEG-4 video. Select Save. The conversion will shown in the bottom. Now the PPT is converting as a MP4 video file. It will take few seconds. Now conversion is over. I am opening the location. So this is my video file. Now I can play this video file. Now it start recording my video. Python interpreter is my first slide. Now I am moving to the second slide. What can Python do? Python can used on a server to create web applications. I have demonstrated how to create a video you are presenting in each slide of a PowerPoint and how to convert the PowerPoint presentation, the entire PowerPoint presentation as a video file. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment, and press the bell button. Thank you.